Hi everyone. All right, so Belair National Park, what a beautiful spot. I reckon it's probably the nicest national park I've seen.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
But there's all different areas, like picnic areas that you can go to. There's a lake. You've got tennis courts, basketball courts, the big play area for the kids. They've got a coffee van that's usually there. I don't know if it's during the week or just on the weekends, but
it's permanently there. But
yeah,
when it's open, I'm not sure.
Yeah. But and that goes the same as the cafe that you'll see as well, where you can do the bike hire, which is only like a minute walk from the Caravan park. So that's nice and handy if anyone wants to hire a bike and go on the adventure loop. Oh my god!
Yeah, the mountain bike riding.
Oh geez, that was. I really enjoyed it, but wow, I just didn't have any idea what we're getting into.
Especially Bullshit Cliff.
Oh jeez. Well, I basically walked down most of that, like just used my feet all the way down. Wow.
Yeah, I loved it. Looking forward to do that again.
Good fun.
Yeah.
And the hills were so steep, weren't they?
Wow. And if you fell over to the side, you'd just keep rolling down. There wasn't much room for error.
Yeah. A couple of interest points to go and have a look at if you are at Belair. And I would recommend having a look at Carrick Hill, which is an 11-minute drive. And also check out Windy Point, which is about 7-minute drive.
Yeah, beautiful views.
Yeah, good look out there. But Carrick Hill, I just thought it was like a little cafe, but it's more of a restaurant. The meals there are amazing. I had gnocchi, which... give it 12 out of 10. It was beautiful.
Yep.
And their scones with jam and cream, they actually make them in-house. Yum. They were really good. And yes, so hope you enjoy the episode. Thanks for watching. So we're here at Carrick Hill. We're going to show you around. The gardens are beautiful. It's on a big property. It's a huge area. And there's, I'm pretty sure there's a cafe and stuff here. So let's go have a look. What's that, Gibbo?
I have no idea.
Can't work that one out.
It's a sculpture.
Beautiful old building, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm not too sure if it costs anything to get in, but we'll pop our heads in and have a look.
G'day buddy, how are you? What time do you guys close here?
I'll be around till about 4.
About 4 o'clock? No worries, we'll try and make it back for a coffee.
Yeah.
Adventure loop, that's it. Intermediate with difficult sections. Giving it a crack?
Give it a crack.
Let's do it.
Where's the rest of the trail? Oh yeah, across the road I reckon. Yep, this is it. Cool. Jump it!
That was a good one. Oh my God. Oh. It's an adventure, all right.
First time we tried it. Yeah, no, it's got bullshit cliff because it's a bit tricky.
This better get better. It's not like we can turn around and go back. Oh God, I don't think I can do that.
Good girl.
Holy crap. Scenery's beautiful. Check that out.
Oh, this is steep. Woohoo! Almost breaking legs. Wait for another hour for any to catch up. Oh, it's not too bad. It's really, really steep. Keep pushing. Top gear, top gear, top gear. Good girl. Good girl. You would have stopped otherwise, you wouldn't have done that. That's why I waited for you. How steep was that?
Torture Hill.
Yeah. Bring it on.
You enjoying your ride?
I'm loving it. It's brilliant, a bit gnarly.
Oh my goodness.
What they call that hard bit? Bullshit hill.
Yeah.
Not bad for beginners. Did you get the roofs coming past?
Yeah, they're everywhere.
Yeah. Well, that's it. We're finished.
Can't say I'm sorry.
So where do you want to head? Go head somewhere for a coffee, eh?
Yep. Oh, by the way, I come off.
Did you come off again? You did it.
It's really slow, and I thought there was a great big rut that side. One that side, no, to go down the middle. And as soon as I lose confidence, that's it. Slip.
Oh, love it. Oh.
Oh, goodness.
How good was that?
I wonder if they sell bourbon.